It had been a long time coming, and the new arrival's parents did a good job of keeping it under wraps. But when Dassault finally unveiled its Falcon 10X jet in early March, it's fair to say that it made a big first impression. Guests at the French manufacturer's assembly line in Mérignac near Bordeaux were able to view an array of current Falcons and a 10X cabin mock-up before the big reveal. And with war having just broken out in the Gulf, Dassault's Rafale fighter certainly turned heads too. While champagne and Michelin-starred canapés apart, there were some elegantly nuanced touches to the build-up to the rollout itself, such as an artist crafting a drawing of the new Falcon that was waiting in the wings for its big moment. And donning 3D goggles, guests could try their hand at navigating around the supersized 10X interior. And then it was showtime. Dassault's leadership team came to the stage like proud parents to brag about the new addition to the Falcon family. The cheerleading was topped off by the group's CEO, Eric Trappier. And that was the cue for the 10X to take its bow in an atmosphere reminiscent of a Paris fashion show. This is an aircraft designed to supercharge intercontinental travel, with the ability to carry 8 passengers up to 7,500 nautical miles and a projected top speed of Mach 0.925. It has the widest, tallest Falcon cabin to date, and competes with other ultra-long-range rivals such as Gulfstream's G800 and Bombardier's Global 8000. It's such a privilege to be able to attend major business aviation events like this, and whenever possible, we try and bring you video news reports to show you what it was like to be there. Coming up next for the Falcon 10X will be its first test flight, and hopefully we can show you footage of that as well. You'll find many more stories like this and video too at ainonline.com. And thank you for watching.